Are you ready to master the art of business communication? This video uncovers the key elements of effective communication, from verbal to nonverbal methods. Discover how mastering these skills can enhance your professional interactions. Communication is a process involving various elements. It includes the source, message, channel, and receiver. Feedback, environment, context, and interference also play crucial roles. Understanding these elements helps in sharing and interpreting meanings effectively. Each component contributes to the overall communication process. Pitch and tone are vital in how messages are perceived. Pitch refers to the voice's highness or lowness, conveying emotions like excitement or seriousness. Tone includes pitch, volume, speed, and emphasis, indicating friendliness or sarcasm. Together, they shape how messages are understood. Mastering them enhances communication effectiveness. Body language is nonverbal communication through gestures and expressions. It includes posture and eye contact, conveying confidence or nervousness. Reading body language helps understand others' feelings and intentions. Being aware of one's own body language can improve communication. It adds depth to verbal interactions. Emotional intelligence involves understanding and managing emotions. It was coined by researchers Mayer and Salovey. Recognizing and influencing emotions in others is key. Emotional intelligence enhances personal and professional interactions. It is crucial for effective communication. Communication consists of 5 key elements. These are sender, message, channel, receiver, and feedback. The sender encodes the message, which is transmitted through a channel. The receiver decodes it and provides feedback. This process ensures effective communication. The 5 C's ensure effective communication. Clarity involves using simple language. Conciseness means being succinct. Completeness requires providing all necessary information. Correctness ensures accuracy, while courtesy involves respectful interaction. Together, they enhance communication effectiveness. Verbal communication requires clarity and confidence. Speaking clearly avoids misunderstandings. Listening actively shows engagement and respect. Appropriate language suits the audience and context. Together, these elements improve verbal communication effectiveness. Eye contact conveys confidence and sincerity. Facial expressions show emotions like interest or concern. Body language supports spoken words. Appropriate touch, like a handshake, builds connection. Written communication requires clarity and precision. Formal letters and emails should be concise and error-free. Appropriate tone and structure are essential. Written communication conveys messages effectively when well-crafted. It is crucial in business contexts. Formal letters follow a structured format. They include an introduction, body, and conclusion. Clarity and professionalism are key. Formal letters convey important messages. They are used in various business scenarios. Emails require a clear subject and concise content. They should include a greeting and closing. Professional tone is crucial. Emails are widely used for business communication. They enable quick and efficient information exchange. Face-to-face communication involves direct interaction. It allows for observing nonverbal cues. This type of communication builds rapport and trust. It can be challenging due to distractions and cultural differences. Effective face-to-face communication enhances relationships. Digital communication uses online tools like email and social media. It enables real-time interaction across distances. Digital communication offers convenience and efficiency. However, privacy and security are concerns. Responsible use is essential for effective digital communication. Feedback shows if a message is understood. Feedback can be verbal or nonverbal. It allows the sender to adjust the message. Effective feedback enhances communication. Listening is crucial for effective communication. It involves paying attention and understanding. Active listening shows respect and engagement. It helps in accurately interpreting messages. Improving listening skills enhances communication effectiveness. Cultural differences affect communication styles. Understanding these differences is important. It helps in avoiding misunderstandings. Respecting cultural norms enhances interactions. Cultural awareness improves communication effectiveness. Communication can be hindered by various challenges. These include language barriers and noise. Emotional interference can also affect understanding. Identifying and addressing these challenges is key. Overcoming them improves communication effectiveness. Improving communication skills involves practice and feedback. Engaging in active listening is crucial. Understanding nonverbal cues enhances interactions. Seeking feedback helps in refining skills. Continuous improvement leads to effective communication. Effective business communication is essential for success. It involves clear and concise messaging. Building strong relationships is key. Understanding and adapting to different communication styles is crucial. Effective communication drives business growth. Mastering communication elements enhances professional interactions. From verbal to nonverbal methods, each plays a role. Understanding and adapting to different styles is crucial. Effective communication drives success. Now, you are equipped to communicate effectively in business contexts.